What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix call and people options not showing up on the messenger. Now suppose you want to use the messenger and you can't see anyone online, neither you can see an option for call. So the process for that is pretty simple. For the people function, or you cannot see people options, is that you have set yourself to deactive. For that, you just have to tap on this menu bar. These things will open up. Here you have to tap on this gear icon and it will open up the settings. In the settings, you just have to go to active status. Now active status will bring you there. It should be turned off. If you turn it on, you'll be able to see the people option right there. However, if that is not the case is like you cannot see the call feature right here. So in that case, is the call feature is not available in your region. In some countries, there is this transfer protocol, which is like voice over the internet protocol, which is disabled, which does not allow you to transfer or call someone online. Including UAE, you won't be able to use the messenger call feature in the UAE. If you live in UAE, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, you're trying to make a call from the messenger, you won't be able to do that because it is banned over there. So if you want to do it, you have to use any other option, or you have to call through the phone numbers. So you won't be able to fix that issue for you. However, there could be some problem in the app as well. In that case, I would suggest you just uninstall the app and reinstall it. So that's very much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.